this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a video. Now, I've been gone for a little while. I have a couple things. One, I was on vacation, and the other was I moved my craft stuff into a craft room. So I have a spare room in my house. I had actually designed it to be a playroom for my kids. They never used it. So I thought this is the summer that I'm going to move everything, and then I thought, how crazy am I? Because moving it was an ordeal. It's still a work in progress. I still have stuff everywhere. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to put stuff, but I do have a dedicated room now, so that's really cool. This is my order from Not Too Shabby Shop, starting with a haul. I did spend some money there. She sent me a loyalty coupon, which I cannot find anywhere. I don't know what the heck I did with it. I'm hoping it turns up for 20% off, which I'm really excited about. And so I've been ordering from her for a while. So let's get right into what I ordered. Now, first, if you spend, let's see, if you spend $60, usually there's a free gift. And the free, oh, here it is. It's stuck to there. Found it. Yay. I wanted to show you this side, not the side with the coupon. The Not Too Shabby Shop. And they have a rewards program, so they track, you get points that you can spend there. And I love shopping from her. The shipping is really, really fast. If you spend $60, shipping is, I think it's 60 or is it 65? Whatever it is, it's free shipping. Over 60. So great place to shop. Her website is the number 2 shabbyshop.com. She also has a YouTube channel, which inspired some of my purchases. But yeah, if you spend $60, you get a free gift. The free gift this time was these Neat and Tangled enamel dots. They come in the black and the gold. So I'm excited about that. And then if you spend $100, the free gift was this, which is a shaker. So I'm going to have to figure out how that works, but that's it's a shaker window. And so that was free with $100. And then if you spent $25 in Doodlebug, then you got this cute little Doodlebug doodle pop. So those are my freebies. Now, into my order, I did buy a little bit of Lawn Fawn. I bought this one right here, which I want the whole release for Lawn Fawn. I love Lawn Fawn. I have a lot of Lawn Fawn. But I just bought this one. This is really cute. It's called A Little Sparkle. And what's nice about Lawn Fawn is they have a lot of stamps that are really good price points. They have this one, which is, I think, the $4.99 price point, or $3.99 price point, and then they have like an $8 one. And then the little die that goes with it. And then the Greening Farm. Now, the Greening Farm with CC Designs. This purchase was inspired by Jamie's video that she did on her Not Too Shabby Shop channel. Because I loved what she did. Well, first of all, I'm a huge Greening Farm fan. Anybody who watches my channel knows I love coloring these girls. And I do love CC Designs, too. Both of them. I have a lot of CC Designs stuff. But I bought this stamp set, which is called Miss Anya Samoyed. And I think it's because of the cute little doggy. Really cute. Really fun to color. So I got her. And then she showed some different things, masking and using these background stamps from CC Designs. And I really want to do some masking and kind of get outside my box a little bit. And so I bought these kind of background stamps, a couple of them. They're all different trees. So we have this one, which is maple. This is the maple tree. And then this one right here, which is the pine tree. And then this one, this is the oak background, and then this is like an evergreen background, which would be cute for like Christmas or holiday, camping, that kind of thing. So I did get those. And then another CC Designs that I got is this one, which goes with the unicorn dies that they have, which I have not even put together yet. So I need to pull those out and work on these. But this is a unicorn Halloween. So basically, this is like a little costume for your unicorns. So if you have the unicorn dies, then you can use this. And the unicorn dies, I think, are really cheap. I want to say they're like $8 from CC Designs. They're really good bargain. So there's that. And then my Doodlebug. So I wanted to get the school paper, but I think it was sold out in her shop, so I didn't get it. But I got this one, which is I Love Travel. And of course, I love Doodlebug. So it's all my favorite things are right here. And really, really cute, Doodlebug style. So I went ahead and got this paper pad in 6x6. And then, I was watching Sabrina K, and I was at work, so I wasn't able to leave a comment because they have the comments blocked. You can't leave comments on YouTube videos when I'm watching them at work. So I wasn't able to leave a comment, but I want to let Sabrina K know, she's watching me, she's a country crafter, that a lot of my little ephemera is Doodlebug ephemera. So if you're interested in, some of the ephemera that I use, especially what I sent you the cute little tag, that was Doodlebug. Anyway, this is the Chit Chat. And I really wanted the odds and ends, but I don't know, I was trying to keep my price point down.